Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with the dictionary chapter, dictionary content of chapter 1. Now, as we know that the dictionary is like a list. But the difference between the list and dictionary is that in list, we can access the elements of the list using the index value. Whereas if we use the dictionary, then we have to access the elements or the values of the dictionary using the unique key. Now the question is, what is the key here? We say that the dictionary is enclosed in curly braces. Number 1. Number 2, dictionary contains items separated by comma. Now what are items here? Items means key value pair. Key value pair means key which contains some value in it, separated by the colon sign. And dictionary is mutable. Mutable means the value is mutable, but the keys are immutable data types. Where immutable means which cannot be changed. As we know that the numbers, strings and the tuples whose values once created cannot be modified. Now, for example, if we say D1 is equal to curly braces name and then Rakesh. Here name, roll number, class and school. All these are called as my keys. Whereas Rakesh, 41, 12 and LPS are called as my values. And each key value pair is separated by colon sign. And the complete key value pair is called as an item. And these items are separated by commas. Fine. Now we say that the value of your dictionary can be accessed using a unique key. How it can be accessed? By writing print name is equal to DI, that is called as the dictionary name. Within square brackets, I have mentioned the name of the key, where name key contains the value as Rakesh. So this will return the value as Rakesh. And whereas if I say school is equal to D1 school, then the school will return the value as LPSS school. So it will return the output value as LPSS school. Fine. Now the dictionary items can be accessed using a loop. This is the one way of accessing the values from a dictionary, but this is one by one we are accessing. We are giving each key value a key and then we are getting the value. But if I want, with the help of the loop, I want to access all the values using a key, then I can use the for loop here. Now for I in D1, which means that I is a variable which will contain the key values, keys of dictionary D1. So suppose if D1 is a dictionary, then first of all, I will contain the value, a key as name and print D1 I. D1 I means D1 name. D1 के name में हमारे पास क्या stored है? राकेश. So वो first value मुझे क्या देगा? राकेश. Second, दोबारा से जब ये loop में जाएगा, तो I will contain the second key which is roll number. So D1 roll number means 41. Again it will go back to the loop. The third key is class. So it will display me the value as 12. And the fourth key, again it will go back, and fourth key is school. It will display the name of the school here. So this is the way how we can access the multiple values using different keys with the help of a loop. Now one more thing is that if I want to do any changes in the values, as I said, your dictionary is mutable. In mutable, we means that values is mutable, means the values of the dictionary can be changed. Suppose I have the roll number as 41 and by mistake I have written the roll number as 41, the roll number was 39. So means I want to change the roll number of a child. Then what can I do is I can write D1. In square brackets, I have to mention the key. For which key I want to change the value. So D1 within square brackets, single quote roll number is equal to 39. Means now the roll number of a child Rakesh is changed from 41 to 39. Now if I say print D1, then it will display the value as name Rakesh, roll number 39, class. So here the roll number is changed. So this way we can change the value of a dictionary. Now we are continuing with the topic, that is the built-in functions in dictionary. For example, I have a dictionary D1 containing the following key value pairs in it. Now the first function in dictionary is Len function. As we know that Len function means to count the number of elements in a list, in a string or anything, tuple, anywhere. If I want to count the number, total number, here we will count the total number of items. Items का meaning क्या हो गया? That is a key value pair. How many key value pairs we have in our dictionary? Suppose if I write print len of D1, it will give me the value as 5 because it contains 5 key pair values in it. Fine. Now the next one is clear function, where clear function means to remove all the elements from the dictionary and to make the dictionary empty. Now for example, D1 dot clear function means that print D1, it will display me a blank curly braces, which means that now all the values from my dictionary are deleted. Copy function means returns a copy of an existing dictionary. We have already done this in list also, where we said that we can make a copy of a list in two ways. The first way was by assigning the value to it, and the second way was by we can use the copy function for the same. For example, first time I am saying A is equal to D1 dot copy function, which means that A will contain a copy of the dictionary called as D1. So if I'll say print A, then it will display me the same contents whatever was there in my dictionary D1, right? The same can also be done using the assignment operator. I can write this statement like this: A is equal to D1. Then what is the difference between the D1 dot copy function and the assignment? If we use the assignment operator for making a copy of an existing dictionary, it means any changes done in either A or in D1 will reflect back to one another. If I'm doing any changes in dictionary 1, suppose I have changed the value of my dictionary as 29 or 89, then the value will be reflected in A also. Whereas if we'll make a copy using a copy function, then any changes done in A will not reflect back to D1. This point we have already discussed in the list function. Now next is items, where items means returns the list of dictionaries in pairs, tuple pair. Like if I'm saying that print D1 dot item function, then it will show me all the key value pairs in the form of a tuple in a list. It will show me all the pairs. I've made it as dotted. Means it will display the school value also, school and XYZ also. So items will always give me the key value pair in the form of a tuples. Keys means in my dictionary, whatever the name of my keys are there, all the name of my keys will be displayed here. Like print D1 dot keys will display me name, roll number, class, marks and school. Values means it will display me all the values of my dictionary which are there for my keys. Right? If I'm saying print D1 dot values, then it will display me the value as Rakesh, 29, 12, 88 and XYZ. All these are the values for the given keys in my dictionary D1. Update means if I want to add any of the key value pair in an existing dictionary, then I can use the update function for it. And this value is always added at the end. Now suppose if I'm saying D1 is containing this value, and D2 I am having roll number 29, %88. Here we are seeing that we are having a one key pair value which is same, which is already existing in D1. Then what it will do is, it will not overwrite, it will not give me the roll number 2 times, it will take the roll number only once in a dictionary. मीन्स इफ एनी, अगर हमारी डिक्शनरी में कोई भी एक जो हमने सेकंड डिक्शनरी के अंदर वैल्यू डाली है, अगर वो वैल्यू हमारी D1 में ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट है, तो वो जब ऐड करेगा, अपडेट करेगा, तो ड्यूरिंग दैट पीरियड वो जो डुप्लीकेट वाली आपकी की वैल्यू पेयर होगी उसे सिर्फ एक बार ही लिखेगा. राइट? इफ आई से print D1, then it will display me the value as name Rakesh, roll number 29, class 12, marks 88, school XYZ and %88. So what happened here? I'm saying roll number 29 and %88. It is roll number 29 is here also and roll number 29 is here also. But it will in D1 it will be written only once. same key pair value is never repeated again. Only the new key value pair will be added at the end of the dictionary. Now we have the pop function. Pop means to delete. Now what to delete? From my dictionary, I have to delete the key. If I delete the key, then the value of that key will automatically gets deleted from the dictionary. Delete the key from the dictionary. For example, d1 dot pop class. Class is the name of the key. I have to give the name of the key along with the pop function. If I write the key, then the value of that key is automatically displayed whenever we are using the pop function here. Now if I'll say the print d1, it will display all the key value pairs in dictionary d1, leaving behind that is your roll number. It will not show the roll number, it will show all rest values of my d1 dictionary. Next is our get function, where get function means it displays the value of the corresponding key. Suppose I want to display the value of marks key, then I will write a is equal to d1 dot get. Within my brackets, I have to give one argument that is called as marks, which is called as my key. It will display me the value of a as 88. In my dictionary d1, I am having already these values. So it will display me the value as 88 for my key marks. So get function is always used to display the value of the corresponding key, whatever I am writing within my brackets. Set default means it contains two arguments actually. One is the key, another is the value. If I write d1 dot set default single quote marks comma 65, this means that marks is my key if this key is already existing in my dictionary. Then there will be no change and it will display me the value as 88. That the marks contain already the value as 88. So there will be no change in the dictionary. But if I write d1 dot set default within brackets single quote percent comma 75, this key does not exist in my dictionary. If I write this statement, then in d1 this percent key value will be added in it. Means now my d1 will become as all the key value pair will remain same. Only at the end it will write single quote percent and then colon 75. So basically set default is used to take two things. We can add a key value pair also, as well as we can have the value from the given key which is already existing in my dictionary.